Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make Chee Cheong Fun or rice rolls. To do that, we will look at the ingredients. First we are looking at how to make the rice rolls. So you will need 2 cups of rice flour, 1 cup of tapioca starch, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 6 cups of plain water. So yeah, 6 cups of plain water, but you add it gradually. And add it gradually and you whisk it thoroughly first. A little bit at a time so that we do not want lumps to form. So initially you just put a bit of water and then try to incorporate all the flour mixture into a smooth batter. So then later, once everything is smoothened already, then you can add the rest of the water. So all in all, you will need altogether 6 cups of tap water at room temperature. So you pour all the rest in, and while you're pouring in, you will also want to whisk it gently, not too aggressive. And then after whisking for a while, you will want to let the batter rest for about 20 minutes while you prepare the fillings. Now the filling that we want to have for this Chee Cheong Fun will consist of minced garlic, about 1 teaspoon of it, and also 2 tablespoons of minced salted prawns. So both of them are minced, and then they are fried together for about 5 minutes, just shallow pan fry, and until the aroma is there. So all this will be paired together with 1 cup of chopped spring onions. So we'll just sprinkle liberally over the Chee Cheong Fun once it's being cooked. So these will be the filling. Then we go on to the sauce. The sauce will be the topping. So for this, I'm using the yong tofu sauce, which you can get it from the supermarket very easily. The one that I have down here is from, I bought it in the NTUC supermarket. It is a Singapore brand. And then all you need to do is to pour them out. So 2 tablespoons of yong tofu sauce. But the sauce is a bit thick for drizzling, so what you need to do is to add a bit of warm water, maybe about 1 tablespoon first of hot water will also be okay. It's okay, either warm or hot, so it easily loosens the paste. So makes it into a more easy, or rather a consistency that is easy to drizzle. So the sauce also can be, another sauce that also can be put together with this yong tofu sauce will be the Thai chili sauce. So you need about 2 tablespoons of these, and then you will just add 1 tablespoon of hot water to loosen it up as well, so that it is easy for you to drizzle. So give it a good stir until you can see the consistency that you are looking at this video. So this is the consistency that we want. So these two will go into the topping for the Chee Cheong Fun. Okay, so the next thing I want to see is how to cook the rice rolls. So what we need to do is to move over to the stove and look at how we can cook the rice rolls. So I've got a rectangular pan down here, and this pan is in a dimension of about 30 cm by 20 cm. So the length is 30 cm and the breadth is about 20 cm. So for this size of the pan and for this recipe, you can get about 10 Chee Cheong Fun rolls. So it all depends on the size of your pan. So the first thing you need to do is to heat up the pan over a boiling hot water in a wok. And then you will want to smother the bottom of it with cooking oil so that your batter does not stick. So you put it liberally, the oil over it, and also try to stabilize the pan so that it is horizontal and so that your batter will eventually be of even thickness. That is what we want. So you don't want one part to be thin and the other part is thick. Now, we want to pour the batter over, but before we do that, we must ensure that the batter is stirred, because the cornstarch and the rice flour has this a tendency to settle at the bottom even after about 5 minutes, yeah, when you let it settle, yeah. So you need to stir it first before you take about half cup, yeah, of this flour mixture, and then you pour over the pan like so, yeah. And then you sprinkle the ingredient inside, which is our minced the dried prawns and the minced garlic mixture, yeah. So you just put it all over randomly, yeah. And then of course you need to put your spring onions as well, yeah, just also sprinkle all over randomly as well, yeah. And after doing that, you would want to cover the wok and let it steam for about 1.5 minutes, yeah. So it's pretty short, yeah, so do not walk away, yeah. So 1.5 minutes just passed by. It is very fast, yeah. Okay, so sorry about the condensation, yeah. So after a while the camera clears off, yeah, clears. Aha, now you see what you're supposed to see, yeah. Okay, so the Chee Cheong Fun is already cooked, yeah. So you're going to use your holder, yeah, it's hot, please use your holder, and bring it out and put it on a chopping board, yeah, so that or any mat, yeah, so that it's easy for you later for balance purposes, yeah. Okay, so you put it there. If you can, you wait for a minute, yeah. I noticed that even immediately I take it out, it was quite okay, yeah. So if you have you're in a hurry, you can just use your dough cutter or any plastic horizontal plain kind of structure or tool to sort of flip this roll, yeah, decisively, yeah, and roll it into one nice roll like so, yeah. Okay, so you got one nice roll of Chee Cheong Fun. Transfer this into a serving plate, yeah, and there you have it, yeah, one roll of Chee Cheong Fun stuffed with fried prawns, yeah. So okay, we are going to continue doing that, and after that as I said, you can make about 10 rolls, yeah. So I just show you 3 rolls to give you an idea how to put the sauce and other toppings on top to embellish your Chee Cheong Fun rolls, yeah. Remember the sauce that we made, yeah. So the sauce consists of the yong tofu sauce, yeah. So you just sprinkle it nicely. If you like it more, you can put more, yeah. So I was quite generous over here, yeah. So yeah, so that's what you need. And we also like our chili sauce, yeah. So this one is the sweet Thai chili sauce. If you want more kick, you can put something that is even more high in a higher level in terms of heat, yeah. So this is sufficient for us, yeah. So then we can also top it with our fresh chopped spring onions, yeah, our crispy small onions that has been fried, yeah. So this one you can just buy from the supermarket, the crispy onions, yeah. So it's easily available. You need not do it by yourself. You just top it, and also you put some sesame seeds